Hi, this is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. Got my stuff from Fashion Nova. Before I get into the video, I want you to stop and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So, I really miss my hood. Do y'all ever miss your old neighborhood? I'm really missing my hood. I'm really missing my old neighborhood. I'm really missing my old people. So, my brother's having a cookout in my own neighborhood, right directly in front of my building. And there's a parking lot in front of it, so they're throwing the cookout there. So I was like, I want to go, so I'm going to go. So I had bought some stuff to go, but then, y'all know me, I always do the most. I'm like, why are you doing the most to go to a cookout? Like, girl, I'll show y'all what I bought to go to cookout. I'll show y'all what I bought to go to the cookout. I bought some breast pasties because sometimes the outfit calls for no bra, but the girl still gotta be up, you know what I mean? So I bought these pasties. I hope they work. Then they go like this, and then you just stick it to yourself. This part is clear, but these are supposed to hold your boobies up. So I bought those. What size did I buy? I bought a plus size. It says silicone breast lift pasties. Ideal for backless dress, swimsuit, wedding gown, and more. Yes, can't wait to wear these. This is what I originally bought to wear. This is a jean dress. This is a jean dress. I'm going to insert a picture. I wanted to put on a cute little jean dress. It's like a peplum top. It's a little mini dress. And yeah, I wanted to wear this dress, and I wanted to get some pink Jordans to go with the dress, and I wanted to wear a dress and show off my tattoos, but then I was like, girl, you are going to a cookout. If you don't just throw on some shorts and a shirt and call it a day, so I don't have to. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear. These are some shorts, some white shorts, and they're distressed. So it's going to be showing a little bit of my skin, the stress here. I think that y'all can see better when I'm over here. So these are the shorts and they're high waisted. So they're gonna come up to here. Super cute. These are the shorts. This is cute. See, I can rock with this. I'll say the little dress, the little jean dress for a hot date. You smelling all good. Got my, you be looking bomb. Yeah, that's what I'll say the jean dress for. This is the top that I'm gonna wear with the shorts. And it has like a bow in the back. It has like a bow in the back. And it's gonna be like off the shoulder because I want to show my tattoo. So wearing this with this, my white shorts and my J's, and I'm gonna have my hair done. So yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. That was a quick haul. I'm finished. Finito. Thanks for watching. Bye.